Budgerigar pair. Eat seeds, preen each other's feathers. House sparrow. Picks grains, roams in small groups around houses. Rock pigeon pair, male and female. Guard the nest alternately. Groom each other's body face. Common kingfisher pair. Catch fish and feed each other. Clean feathers. House sparrow pair. Feed chicks. Mutual foot touching and body cleaning. House crow, omnivore, scavenges food from waste. Common myna pair. Build nests in holes, mutual preening. Spotted dove pair. Soft cooing, gentle beak grooming affection. Oriental magpie robin. Defends territory, sings melodiously. Peach-faced lovebird pair. Collect grass, groom closely. Black drongo. Hunts flying insects, bravely chases bigger birds. Budgerigar pair. Eat seeds, preen each other's feathers. Indian roller. Catches insects from perches. Blue wing flash in flight. Cockatiel pair. Call while sitting on branches. Groom head or cheeks. Common kingfisher. Waits by water, dives to catch fish. Rose-ringed parakeet pair. Eat fruits, beak touching and grooming. Cattle egret. Walks beside cattle, catches insects. Macaw pair. Crack nuts, mutual grooming and affection. Barn owl. Hunts silently at night, controls rodent population. Toko toucan pair. Eat fruits, beak touching affection. Little egret. Walks slowly in shallow water, catches small fish. Mute swan pair. Patrol lake, neck intertwining, feather grooming. Great egret. Stands still, then strikes quickly to catch prey. Mandarin duck pair. Float on water, groom face or neck affectionately. Gray heron. Slow hunter. Catches fish and frogs. Sarah's crane pair. Courtship dance. Grooming strengthens bond. Painted stork. Sways its bill in water to find food. Wandering albatross pair. Long journeys, mutual grooming affection. Mallard. Floats on water, dives for aquatic plants. Atlantic puffin pair. Nest and burrows, beak touching and grooming. floats on water, dives for aquatic plants. Emperor penguin pair. Take turns warming the egg, groom each other. Mute swan. Eats algae in lakes. Strong wing posture. Common kingfisher pair. Catch fish and feed each other. Clean feathers. Spotted dove picks seeds, soft cooing. Great hornbill pair brings fruits, grooming, and foot-touching affection. Rose-ringed parakeet comes in flocks to eat fruits, seeds. Macaw pair crack nuts, mutual grooming and affection. Toko toucan uses big bill to pluck fruits, disperses seeds. European robin, common nightingale pair, court with song, mutual grooming. Blue and yellow macaw cracks nuts with strong beak, flies in forest. Indian roller pair sit on tall trees, catching insects, groom wing feathers. Fisher's lovebird collects grass leaves to make nest. Black drongo pair catch insects while flying, lick each other clean. Peregrine falcon dives from sky to catch birds, world's fastest diver. Magpie robin pair search insects on ground, beak touching affection. Black kite glides over cities searching for food. Cattle egret pair walk near cattle catching insects, feather grooming. Golden eagle hunts mammals in mountains. Pied kingfisher pair fly near water, catching fish. Playful wing tapping. Osprey dives into water to catch fish. Atlantic puffin holds fish in rows in its beak, swims in sea. Purple sunbird drinks nectar, spreads pollen.